algebra math solution factorization. S square plus x square plus ab minus bx. X square minus b square equal to a plus x minus x plus b. Minus x. Minus x a plus x a plus x minus 20. Started only was this and give me your please subscribe me. I must be grateful to you. It is a factorization theory of algebra. If you give me subscribe me, I must be grateful to you. Progressive minus civilization being all of you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe me. I must do better in future if you subscribe me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please subscribe me.